Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to rotate entities in a sketch. For this, we will use the sketch we created in the last lecture. Now let's go to the Move Entities command and click on the drop-down. From this list select the third option, Rotate Entities. Now under Entities to rotate, we will select this part of the geometry. Left-click and drag your mouse to select all the entities that you want to rotate. We have checked Keep Relations so that the alignment of the part does not change during rotation. Then select the center of rotation. We will select the end point of this line. Let's give it an angle of 180 degrees. See how the part has rotated with respect to this line. Let's change the angle to 270 degrees. Click OK. This is how we can rotate an entire geometry using Rotate Entities. Now we will see how to rotate individual entities using the same command. Let us rotate only the outline of this geometry. Hold the Shift key to select all the elements of the outer line. Go to Rotate Entities. Again choose this end as the center point. And rotate up to 90 degrees. Click OK. See how only the outer line was rotated and not the whole part. Now we will see how to rotate the entire geometry. Go to Rotate Entities. Drag to select all the entities on the sketch. Now select the center of rotation. And rotate it to 180 degrees. See how we can easily rotate geometries using this command. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.